Hi everyone, this is Gina. For this video in my Go High Level tutorial and workflow series, I'm showing how to use snippets to reply faster and stay consistent inside Go High Level. Snippets are reusable message blocks that you can insert anywhere you're typing. They're commonly used for email replies, SMS responses, workflow messages, and internal notes. So instead of rewriting the same message over and over, you save it once and reuse it instantly. So this is how you do it inside the Go High Level. So just go to conversations, that's on the left side of your screen, and then click on snippets. And then click on new snippet. You can either create a text snippet or an email snippet. So for this demo, I will walk you through doing it using email. Let's say I will label this one support quick reply, and then for the subject I will put it here. I will put we receive your message, and I have here a ready message. And you can also the test it to your email. So I already tested it, and this is how it looks like. And I have this one already ready for you for demo purposes. So here it is. And then let's go to conversation. So once a snippet is saved, you can use it anywhere you're composing a message. So this one, I'll open an email or SMS composer, and then I'll click on snippet. So since we only have one, let me just show it to you. So this is where you can find the snippet, insert snippet, and then click on it, and there you go. You already have the message ready. And why this matters, using this snippet helps reduce repetitive typing, keep messaging consistent, speed up replies, support team members using the same responses. It's a simple feature, but it improves daily workflow efficiency. Snippets don't replace automations, they support them. They're best used for common messages that still need a human touch. So that's how to create and use snippets inside a Go High Level. It's a small setup, but it saves time everywhere you communicate inside the system. Thank you for watching.